You're not tired. You're just addicted to being weak. Every day you tell yourself you'll change, but when the moment comes, you choose comfort. You scroll, you distract yourself, you escape, and slowly you destroy your own discipline. You don't lack time, you don't lack motivation, you lack control. And until you fix that, nothing in your life will change. Step 1. Control your environment. If your surroundings are full of distractions, you will lose every time. Weak setups create weak habits. Step 2. Remove the triggers. Stop feeding your mind things that make you weaker. What you watch becomes what you crave. Step 3. Build physical discipline. Train your body daily, because a weak body creates a weak mind. Step 4. Stay busy with purpose. An empty mind will always fall back into bad habits. Stay focused, stay occupied, stay moving. Step 5. Master your mind. You won't always feel strong, but discipline is doing it anyway. Because at the end of the day, weak men follow urges, strong men control them. So decide now, will you keep being controlled, or will you finally take control?